famous tourist destination where you can visit, yeah, anyone can visit about
Okay.
Bihar. And recently it has been recognized by the UNESCO as the World Heritage. Lord Buddha had got his enlightenment, and there is a that is also
Yes.
the center of attraction for tourists. And jungle safari has been developed where people go there. And
What is mass communication?
why is Jaipur called the Pink City?
Actually,
About the culture of Rajasthan, the culture, the food, the
okay,
clothes,
okay.
very attractive. The Jaipur people, the Rajasthani, the border of Pakistan also meets Rajasthan. Who is the chief minister, ma'am? Who is the chief minister of Rajasthan right now?
Yes, but may I know about your English learning journey?
It and how to
Yeah.
get fluency. Your customers how to pronunciate the bird.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. So, hi, how are you?
Yeah, how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well.
Okay. So, we are meeting very first time. So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Soren Verma, and I am from district Gaya, Bihar.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
Gaya is called the land of enlightenment and salvation. Land of enlightenment means Lord Buddha got the enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. That's why this is called the land of enlightenment. Have you heard the name of Gaya?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And as per my qualification, I have done PG in journalism and mass communication, and I've
Okay.
also done MBA, Master of Business Administration. At present, I am teaching some students how to communicate in English, and I'm helping them to improve their fluency and spoken English. This is all about me.
Okay. Okay, okay. Amazing, I can say. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, okay. So, my name is Lalita Jangid. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and a part-time teacher, and simultaneously I also run a YouTube channel. And my qualification, I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers. And my interest, so listening audiobook and try to cultivate reading habit also these days, and apart from traveling. So that's all.
Okay.
Yes, I'm blessed with a daughter and live in joint family. That's all about me. Yeah.
That was very good. So, what should be the topic to discuss today?
So actually, you are from Bodh Gaya, yeah?
Right,
Okay.
right.
So may I know about the yes? I also know a little bit I
Okay.
know about the Lord, I can say Buddha, but yeah, little bit I know about you also.
So I think I am
Yes, yes.
suggest
Okay,
I am suggesting you the topic like
okay,
five tourist destination of Bihar. I'm going to tell you the
okay,
five
okay,
famous tourist destination where you can visit. Yeah, anyone can visit about
okay,
Bihar, and you will
okay,
tell about the five most famous destination of your state.
okay, okay,
Right,
okay,
right. So yeah, first of all, I would suggest that the uh, most famous tourist destination is Gaya and Bodh Gaya. As you know that Bodh Gaya is called the land of enlightenment. Lord Buddha got enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. So in
okay,
Bodh Gaya there is Mahabodhi temple. That Mahabodhi temple is very ancient temple, and recently it has been recognized by the UNESCO as the World Heritage. Bodh Gaya temple has been, and there are many other temples of Lord Buddha like Chinese temple, Korean temple, Japanese temple, and a lot of temples are there. But the center of attraction is always the Mahabodhi temple, and there is a people tree under which Lord Buddha had got his enlightenment. and there is a pond under the campus of temple, and that is also beautiful. And
Okay.
that site is taken care of the district magistrate of Gaya. Whoever is the district magistrate, under his the authority of the temple maintenance and security, all things has been given to the district magistrate of that our district. And
Okay.
as you know that Bodh Gaya is the famous place, famous tourist place. So there is an international airport in Gaya where people
Okay.
can directly travel, and the people from uh, China and the people from Tibet and the people from Cambodia, there is a direct flight from these countries to the Bodh Gaya. And the hotel industry is also flourishing where there is a flock of tourists. The hotel industry is also flourishing. So there is a facilities. All type of hotels are available. Some three-star hotels are also available. And Gaya is connected with the railways also. People can directly book their tickets via railway. Railway is one of the biggest network in our country, as we know that. And other destination I can suggest about there is Rajgir near to Bodh Gaya. There is Rajgir, and Rajgir is also the famous tourist place of Bihar. And Rajgir, and near Rajgir there is Nalanda. Nalanda is known for its
Yes,
ancient
yes,
university. That
yes,
that
yes,
was, yeah, that is also
yes.
the center of attraction. And in Rajgir, the glass bridge has been built recently, 2 or 3 years ago. One glass bridge has been built, and that glass bridge is also a center of attraction for tourists. And jungle safari has been developed where people go there. And Rajgir is also a Buddhist place, and this is also a place of Hinduism. And Gaya is also the main center of Hinduism. People from all India, they travel to Gaya during Pitya Paksh and they do Pindadan for their ancestors. So these all are the tourist destination of Gaya and Rajgir and Nalanda.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I can say amazing. I know, yeah, many things. Yes. And
Yes.
so, yes, actually, another also you, the PG in mass communication, yeah.
Yeah, right, ma'am.
So actually, what is mass communication? That's also highlight. Yeah.
Okay, that is PG in journalism and mass communication. You know that journalism is, it means when you do this course, you can get a job in news reporting
Yes, yes.
in a
A little bit I
newspaper. So
know. Yes,
journalism and
yes.
mass communication,
Yes, yes. Okay.
yeah. So that is the course. I when I was in my college, I was interested
Okay.
in doing reporting and all this. So I did that course. That was I did the course from IGNOU.
Okay,
That is
okay.
of distance mode, Indira Gandhi Open University.
Yes, yes.
Yes, but I did never join any newspaper and report. I never did a reporting job. After completing that course, I went to Delhi and I started working in a call center and BPO. There did MBA, and after MBA,
Okay, okay.
the field is different. I did MBA in marketing, so I started working in uh, many company like a marketing manager and sales manager over there. So I have worked more than 7 or 8 years in marketing field. And I have recently joined this teaching job. After COVID, I was planning to change my job because sales job is always hectic and I was far from my family. So I wanted to do something with my family because in my house there is my mother, my wife, and children are there. So I thought now I should live with them and do what I can do for them and live with the family, spend some time with my family.
Okay, okay, okay. Amazing. I can say five important tourist destination, yeah, in Jaipur, I can say. So Jaipur is also, I can say, the pink city.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, ma'am. Jaipur is very famous among tourists, especially
Yes, yes.
among the foreign tourists.
Yes, yes.
Jaipur is more famous than Delhi. Yes.
Yes. And I think
Okay.
many fort are
Jaipur
Nahargarh
is known
Fort.
for its fort. So why
Yes.
is okay, ma'am? I want to know that why is Jaipur called the Pink City?
Actually,
Because of cleanliness and yeah.
not actually the James. I think James came here, so that's why all wall I can say in city side, all wall are colored by. So that's why they called the
It's
welcome
called.
of James. So that's why called. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
yes.
great.
And Birla Temple
Mhm.
and yeah, I can say Moti Dungri. That's also very famous and
Mhm.
yeah, yes, Jal Mahal
Tell me
also.
something about the culture of Rajasthan, the culture, the food, the
Okay, okay,
clothes. Okay,
okay,
you
okay.
can also speak
So
about these. What are
okay,
the main food, famous food of Jaipur?
okay,
And the language is always very attractive. The Jaipur people, the Rajasthani. When I
okay,
was in Delhi, some people were from Rajasthan. They used to work with me.
okay,
So I do have some little knowledge about Rajasthan and
okay.
all this.
So actually,
My yes,
yeah, okay,
my nephew is completing his engineering degree from Bikaner Engineering College.
okay, okay.
How
So
far is
actually,
Bikaner from Jaipur?
I think 6 hour. Uh, I'm not exactly don't know,
Okay,
but I
by
think
train,
yes, I think 6 hour.
5 to 6 hours.
Yes, yes.
Right, right.
And actually, uh, famous food I can say dal bati churma is very famous in Rajasthan or Rajasthan. That's also and yeah, and actually cloth. So handmade I can
Mhm.
say cloth and decorative item, home decor. So
Mhm.
that's also very famous in yeah
Mhm.
Rajasthan. Yeah,
Right, right.
as per my knowledge.
Rajasthani
Yeah.
Razai is also very famous, right?
Sorry.
Rajasthani Razai is also very famous.
Actually, I don't know. Yeah, as per
Okay.
my knowledge. Actually,
Another city of Rajasthan like Jodhpur and
Jodhpur, Bikaner, and
right,
yeah, actually Udaipur, that the called the
uh,
city of Lake City of Udaipur. That's also
right,
and
right,
yeah, I can say Mount Abu, that the hill station I can say that's also very famous.
right.
And yes, in Bikaner, the bhujia I can say Bikaneri bhujia that's very famous and
Bikaneri Bhujia is right, right, very famous, you know. And
yes, yes,
Bikaner Wala restaurant is also very famous. When I was in Delhi, there were many outlets of Bikaner restaurants, and
yes,
we
yes,
often used to go there for snacks and some sweets.
yes. I can say sand dunes and desert area is
Right,
there
right.
in Jaisalmer, Badmer, many desert area. So
Mhm.
yes,
The border of Pakistan also meets Rajasthan.
yes, yes,
Right.
yes, Jaisalmer and Badmer, yes. And another I can
Yeah.
say MP and yeah, Punjab, that also neighbor I can say.
Punjab is also very
Punjab,
close to Rajasthan.
close.
Punjab is
Yes,
a neighboring state,
neighbor
and
state. And
UP is
MP,
also neighboring
UP,
state or
UP.
Delhi,
Yes, little bit I think. Yeah,
and
that's
Haryana.
also. Yes.
Haryana is also neighboring
Haryana.
state.
Yes, yes, yes. Haryana also.
If you want to go to Rajasthan from
And
Delhi, you have to go through Haryana,
yeah,
cross Haryana,
yes,
and
yeah.
then you will reach
Yes,
Rajasthan.
yes, yes.
Right.
So that also.
That is. And the transportation is very good. Jaipur is also connected by airport and
Yes, airport
railway
and
and,
railway. That's also.
and
Yes, there
national
is
highway.
also
Road is
next.
everywhere.
Yes, yes.
Right.
That's also.
Nowadays, when Nitin Gadkari has become the transport minister, there is a connection. The network of road has been built. Every state and every district has been connected by roads, and every time the road is being built, and a lot of money is spent on the highways and there. Right.
Bhajan Lal Sharma. That's it.
Bhajan Lal Sharma is from
Yes.
UP, but I am talking about Nitin Gadkari, the Union Minister of Road and Transport.
Yeah.
And
So,
who is the chief minister, ma'am? Who is the chief minister of Rajasthan right now?
yes, Bhajan Lal Sharma.
Bhajan Lal
Yes.
Sharma is the chief. You are right.
So, may I know about your English learning journey?
Right, right. I have been learning English when I was in my college. I completed my uh, education, schoolings, and till graduation, I studied in Hindi medium school. I studied from the
Okay.
government schools, so
Okay.
I was average in English. But after completing my graduation, I did spoken English classes, and my English improved. And after that, I used to teach the children how to communicate and how to
Okay.
get fluency. I taught them for more than 2 and 3 years. So during that phase, my English improved a lot. And when went to Delhi and I started working in a call center, you know that call centers also provide training to how to talk with your customers, how to pronunciate the words. So my English improved a lot when I was in Delhi. And
Okay.
when I started working in a marketing job, forget everything. There was no fluency, and I there was no one to talk in English. But after COVID, I thought now I can continue my teaching job, and so
Okay.
I started working once again on my English fluency. And for that purpose, I started watching YouTube channels, and I my hobby is reading newspapers. So I
Okay.
always read English newspapers. So that has also helped me a lot to
Yes, yes. New
learn
work.
words,
Yes, yes.
new vocabularies, new words. And when you read the English books or English newspaper, a lot of words are already in your mind. You don't face any problem picking up the words, how to describe the things. So this is all about my English journey. And
Okay,
please tell
okay.
me, for how long have you been learning English?
Yes, I'm also like yes, conversation I can say 3 4 month and
Okay.
yes, actually 6 7 month I can say 7 8 month because my daughter singing a poem I also help her. So there I upload only my short and
Right,
after
right,
that make my solo video also. But I have lots of fear, so I want to overcome this. So that's why I yes approach some people. So.
right,
That's
right.
my journey, I can
Yeah,
say.
I saw your videos on the YouTube that you were talking with the people. I thought I should also connect. There will be good conversation. My practice will be also with you, so that's why. And YouTube
Yes,
is
yes.
also providing a good opportunity to meet with different people, to
Yes,
overcome
yes.
your fear of speaking, and to share your experience, to know more about the culture, the language, the people. So this is YouTube is also doing wonderful work.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
I have also created a very small YouTube channel recently, last month.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yes, yes. So, shall we wrap up the session? Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. It was nice talking to you. Hope to see you again after 1 or 2 months. So it
Okay,
was
okay, sir.
very wonderful talking with you. Thank you for your
Okay,
time.
okay, okay. Thank you so much. Give me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah.